In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new employee to Xero in just 5 minutes. If you've recently hired someone and are ready to get them set up in your accounting software, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right into it. First and foremost, you'll want to log into your Xero account, open your preferred web browser, head over to the Xero login page and click on the login button. Here, you'll enter your email and password to access the service. Make sure your credentials are up to date and keep them confidential. With your details filled in, click login and you should be directed to your Xero dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll see a variety of sections dedicated to different aspects of your business. What we're interested in today is the payroll area, as this is where you'll manage employees. Click on the payroll tab, which should be neatly displayed on your dashboard. Next, navigate to the employees section. This is where you will manage all your employee data and add new entries. Go ahead and click on employees. Now, to add a new employee, look for the option that says new employee and give it a click. This will open up a new page where you can input all the essential details regarding your new team member. Enter your new employee's personal details. Typically, this will include their full name, date of birth, and employment start date. Ensure that you have all this information at hand to make the process as smooth as possible. You'll also need to input their contact information, such as their phone number and email address. Double check these details for accuracy to prevent any future communication hiccups. If your company requires it, and if you have the information readily available, you can also add emergency contact details. Remember, this step is optional, so if you don't have this information just yet, you can move on and add it later. Finally, after carefully reviewing all the information you've added, you need to save it. Find the Save button at the bottom of the page and click it. This action will store all the details you've input and officially add your new employee to your Xero account. And that's it. Adding a new employee to Xero is straightforward once you know these steps. By keeping everything organized and following this guide, you ensure that your payroll and employee records remain accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching and happy managing.